guys, it's Richard at Lookers Ellesmere Port, and today we're going to be talking about child locks and how to activate and deactivate them. For that we're going to use three different types of vehicles, as there are three different types of locking mechanisms on our cars. Those three cars are the Mokka X, the Grandland X and the Insignia. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. The three different types of lock mechanisms for the child locks are a key activated system on the Mokka and also on the Corsa. You have a switch on the Astra and the Insignia, and then on the Grandland X or the Crossland X it's used via a button on the dashboard. So to deactivate the child lock, just turn it to the vertical position like so, and then to reactivate it, turn it back to the horizontal position. As you can see, this then locks the doors on the inside. On the Insignia model, you would push the button inwards, and then to deactivate the child lock, just push back outwards again. There are certain Vauxhall models, such as the Combo Life, the Grandland X and the Crossland X, that have an electronic child lock switch. The electronic child lock switch is located just at the bottom of the centre console here. To activate the child safety locks, press this button here. You'll see the visual cue, which is the light at the top of the switch, and also you'll hear the noise of the locks engaging. Like so. To deactivate it, press the button again. The light will disengage, as will the locks. You'll also see a visual cue on the dashboard, like this. So there you have it. That's how to activate and deactivate the child safety locks on the Vauxhall range. Thanks very much for watching, we'll see you next time. So maybe if we just slide that over there, I think it would flow a little bit better into the video. What do you think?
Yeah, I can see that. That's quite good.
Okay.
But then, what about... They're still here?
Oh, I think we want to know about the competition.
What competition?
The threes competition!
Oh, yeah! So we're offering a chance for 3 people to come down to Ellesmere Port for a chance for a 3-hour test drive on one of the 3 new cars that Vauxhall are releasing later this year. So that's the Corsa, the Corsa-e and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, what you'll need to do are 3 things. Firstly, like one of our YouTube channel videos. Secondly, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can be updated with all future content. And thirdly, comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will enter you into the prize draw for this chance to win an amazing competition.